Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Marvin Kasatan, 36 years old, single from Ilocos. My work experience, Ilocos Foods Group, Chowking, Canton City, Ilocos. 8 years and service as a kitchen crew. As a kitchen crew, I know the rules and responsibility. I know how to cook chow fan. I know how to cook fried rice. I know how to fry the fried chicken, and I'm also doing housekeeping, and I'm also doing dishwasher. After 8 years in service, I promoted as a crew team leader in Chowking again, which is 5 years in service. Total of 13 years in service in a fast food chain. I work also decorations and catering services. I know how to decorate or set up like birthdays, christening, and wedding as my part-time job. I work also in eatery. We sell the delicious food in Philippines, sinanglawan. I work also as a cook and helper in the house of city mayor here in Canton. If you have given me a chance, ma'am and sir, to work with you, I am pleasure and have a good day.